Turning on a light bulb. Really, really simple, right? In fact, it's probably one of the simplest things that we ever have to do. And simplicity can be a great thing. Well, unfortunately, not always. Right now, there are a lot of people who would like to make spending $700 billion as easy as turning on a light bulb. Now, I don't know about you, but personally, I don't agree with that. It doesn't make any sense to me. Now, I'm not going to tell you every little in and out of the bailout plan. I think it's very important that people learn for themselves what is going on in their country so that they can make their own decisions. But what I am going to tell you is that the number one thing that pretty much anybody worries about when they wake up in the morning right now is these guys, right? We all worry about this every single day. Maybe we wake up and we're worrying about it. Maybe we go to work and we're worrying about it. Maybe we have to buy gas and we're worrying about it. The American public is in fear of what this has done to them. That's the simple fact. The American people are in fear of money, and that's because there has been no financial education in this country ever. You have to you have to so actively seek out any way to learn about money that most people don't. And I admit, even I really didn't know jack about money for the longest time, and I've still got a lot to learn. But let's just do a little bit of math real quick. Do me a favor, take one of these, right? Multiply it in your mind by 700 billion. 700 billion. Think about that. 700 billion dollar bills, right? That's a lot of dollar bills. Now take all of it and throw it away. All right? That, very simply, is what is going to happen if this bailout plan ends up going through. And right now, what is being fed to the American public via the media and via word of mouth from the government, so on and so forth, is that this bailout plan is a good idea, that it's a great band-aid. Well, to me, a $700 billion band-aid is a pretty big fucking band-aid. And I don't understand why I should have to pay for that $700 billion band-aid when I'm not being told how that $700 billion band-aid is actually going to help me in the long run. That's the simple fact. We are not being told how it is that this $700 billion band-aid is ever going to help any of us. Not yet, except for the fact that what it will do is keep a lot of very rich people rich and help them to continue to stay rich. And it will allow the American public to continue frivolously spending large sums of money which they do not have. It doesn't make any sense. It makes absolutely no sense. There's no reason that I should have to pay for it. And there's no reason that you should have to pay for it either. And don't be fooled. You're paying for it. You, my friends, will be paying for it. And your children will be paying for it. And their children's children will be paying for it. $700 billion over the course of a lot of time, it's actually not that much money. That much money passes throughout all channels of commerce every single day. If you count the entire world, it's every single hour. But that much money, when broken down and put as a burden onto all of us, the American people, right now, it doesn't make any sense. The numbers don't add up, and there's no reason that anyone should be bullied into voting for this bill, for this bailout plan, to go into law and to allow the government to just easily distribute large, super duper large sums of money to corporations which none of us have any actual connection to, nor will we ever have any control over. We should all be stockholders in those companies if we're going to bail them out. We should all see money come back to us if those companies actually ever start to make money again. We won't. You will not see any money. You will see your taxes go right through the roof, and it doesn't matter who your president is. Your taxes will go right through the roof, and they will stay through the roof. They will always stay through the roof. And they will continue to get worse, and you will see this happen again. It will happen again. It will happen on a larger scale. And the reason it will happen is because the American public is not being given any form of education when it comes to being financially educated or understanding what it is that goes on in their country every single day and how it is that their government controls everything from the money that they spend to the lights that they can turn on. So, in closing, I realize that very often I rant about being a successful musician, and I realize that that is, uh, a small thing maybe to some people. I think that this connects to what I usually talk about in lots of ways, and the reason that I think that it does is because if you want to be successful at anything in your life, you have to be able to be educated about it and how it's going to affect your life. You can't just jump into the pool all the time. And the American people are being told too often that we should just jump into the pool, that we should just leap in, and that's no problem for us to go into lots and lots of debt. Well, it is a problem. And in a future vlog, I will talk about handling finances as a self employed musician and just as a self-employed person in general and things like that. But until then, I sincerely ask all of you, if you're watching this, to contact your representatives right now. Go to congress.org, look up who they are. Their phone numbers are right there. There's a reason they have phone numbers and people that answer these phones. It takes 5 minutes to call these people in to say, I'm from so and so state, and I really think that my representative should vote against this bill. And you may not think that it doesn't do anything. It may seem like it doesn't do anything. But the only way that you can make anything happen, very simply, is by trying to do something. That's all there is to it. You have to try. So, hey, I guess in the immortal words of Yoda, right? Do or do not. There really is no try. So, I'll see you next time. I hope this is useful, and maybe when I see you next time, we'll know a little bit more of what's going on. Thanks.